In this presentation, we discuss about different methods for the synthesis of nanomaterials.
Nanomaterial synthesis. There are two approaches for synthesis of nanomaterial and fabrication of nanostructures: top-down approach and bottom-up approach. Top-down approach. There are two approaches for synthesis of nanomaterial and fabrication of nanostructure. Bottom-up approach. Bottom-up approach refers to the building up of material from bottom, atom by atom, molecule by molecule. Atom by atom deposition lead to the formation of self-assembly of atoms or molecules and clusters. These clusters come together to form self-assembled monolayer on the surface of substrate. Different method for nanoparticle synthesis: chemical method, physical method, biological method.
Let's discuss about the chemical methods. There are three types of chemical methods: colloidal method, Sol-Gel method, and hydrothermal method. The first one is colloidal method. Colloidal nanoparticle synthesis. Nanoparticles are traditionally synthesized using wet chemistry methods, which involve first generating the particles in a solution, dropcasting the wet particles onto a substrate, and removing the solvent and other materials from the particle. Second one is Sol-Gel method. It is a more chemical method or wet chemical method for the synthesis of various nanostructures, especially metal oxide nanoparticles. In this method, the molecular precursor is dissolved in water or alcohol and converted to gel by heating and stirring by hydrolysis. Third one is hydrothermal method. Hydrothermal synthesis is one of the most commonly used methods for preparation of nanomaterial. It is actually a solution reaction based approach, and in hydrothermal synthesis the formation of nanomaterial can happen in a wide temperature range from room temperature to very high temperatures.
Method. The first one is laser ablation method. Laser ablation is a method for fabricating various kinds of nanoparticles including semiconductor quantum dots, carbon nanotubes, nanowires and core shell nanoparticles. In this method, nanoparticles are generated by nucleation and growth of laser vaporized species in a background gas. And the second one is sputtering method. With the bombardment of energetic particles, a solid surface erodes and surface atoms are removed after collision between energetic particles and the solid surface. This process is known as sputtering process and the phenomenon is called sputtering. And the third one is electric arc method, a method for synthesis of carbon nanotubes. Current arc voltage is applied across immersed inert gas such as helium.
Now let's discuss about the biological method for synthesis of nanomaterials. There are three biological methods for the synthesis of nanomaterials: using microorganisms, using plant extract, and using DNA and diatoms. Using microorganisms. Mechanistic representation of the synthesis of nanoparticle by microbes. Formation of nanoparticles by microbes involves metal capture, enzymatic reduction and capping. Metal ions are first trapped on the surface or inside the microbial cells and then reduce nanoparticles in the presence of enzymes. Using plant extract. Use of plant extract in nanoparticle synthesis. In producing nanoparticles using plant extract, the extract is simply mixed with a solution of the metal salt at room temperature. The reaction is complete within minutes. Nanoparticles of silver, gold, and many other metals have been produced this way.
Conclusion. Due to their incredible properties, nanoparticles have become significant in many fields in recent years, such as energy, healthcare, environment, agriculture, etc. Nanoparticle technologies have great potentials, being able to convert poorly soluble, poorly absorbed, and labeled biologically active substance into promising deliverable substance.